Hi children, today we are going to look at some words. We are going to rearrange the words to make a lovely sentence. So here we have jumbled sentence. That means not correct. Words are there. We have to put it in order, then read aloud to see if the sentence is correct. Yes? So jumbled sentence. It's a very interesting exercise for you to put the words in order to make complete sense. Good. Let's look at our first jumbled sentence. And you feel good when you get it correct. Look at this. This is a jumbled sentence. Let's read all the words first. First, what do you see here? There is a ball. Red and orange color. Lovely big ball. What do you do with the ball? You play with the ball. You roll the ball. Yes. Bounce the ball. Tap the ball. Yes. Let's read all the words here. Can you read? What's the first word? Round. S. This. Ball. So there are 4 words here. You have to put it in order to make a sense and you get a lovely sentence. Round is this ball. So what can come first? This. Very good. Where is this? This. So we put this first. This is. Good. This ball. What is this ball? This ball is round. Very good. So is. This ball is. What is this ball? This ball is round. Very good. So we got here round, is here, this here, ball here. All the 4 words we have used. This is a jumbled sentence and this is the proper sentence we made. Are you feeling happy? Begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Let's read the lovely sentence that you made. This ball is round. Are you happy? So you made a lovely sentence using those words. Good. This ball is round. Let's look at our next picture and the jumbled words to put it straight. Let's see. What is this? Lovely, juicy, green apple. Yes? Let's read all the words here. You like to eat green apple? Crunchy, a little sourish. Yes. S. Green. Apple. This. Is green apple this. Now we have to put it in order and find the sentence. So what can be said first? This. So we bring this here. This. Next. Is. This apple is. What color? Green. This apple is green. What's the color of the apple? Green. This apple is green. Is the apple green? Yes. This apple is green. Are you happy? You made a lovely sentence? Good. Let's look at another picture. What do we see here? Wow. Cheetah. What does he do? He runs fast. Fastest running animal. He can run very fast. Cheetah. Let's look at all the words we have been given. Jumbled words. Can. Cheetah. The. Fast. Run. So what can be the first word? The. So we put down the cheetah. This animal's name is cheetah. The cheetah can. What can he do? Can run fast. So we'll write fast last, full stop. Look. The cheetah can run fast. We took all these words and we put it down into a lovely sentence. Can the cheetah run fast? Yes, the cheetah can run fast. Are you happy? You put it together and made a lovely sentence? Good. Let's go on to another picture. And look at the jumbled word sentence and let's create a beautiful sentence. What is this? Juicy, big tomato. Like to eat tomatoes? It's a lovely vegetable. Let's read the jumbled words. Ripe is tomato the. Now we have to make the sentence proper using these 4 words. So we put down the tomato is ripe. The tomato is ripe. Now read your sentence. Begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. The tomato is ripe. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. Stars. Colorful stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars are there? 6 stars. Let's look at the jumbled words in the sentence here. Are stars 6 there? Let's put it together. Pick up one by one and make a lovely sentence. What will be the first word? There. So we'll write here, there are. Good. 6 stars. There are 6 stars. How many stars are there? There are 6 stars. So we made the lovely sentence here. Are you happy? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. What shape is this? Triangle. Very good. What's the color of the triangle? Green. The triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Yes? Good. Let's look at the jumbled words given to create a beautiful sentence. Is this triangle. What do you have here? Is this triangle. Now let's put them in correct order. Okay? This is a triangle. Let's read together. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Good. Let's go on to another picture. See what we have here. What is this? Feather. Who has feathers on its body? Birds. Birds have feathers on their bodies. Good. Let's look at the jumbled sentence. Read. Feather is soft. The. There are 4 words here. Let's put it in order to make a sentence. What shall we put down first? The. Good. The feather is soft. Full stop. Good. The feather is soft. Good. Let's look at another picture and look at the jumbled words to make a lovely sentence. What do we see here? A coin. What coin is that? 10 rupees coin. What's the color? Gold and silver. good. Let's look at the words given. Round. The is coin. Now we have to make a lovely sentence here. What is the first word we'll pick? The. Good. The. Next. Coin. Very good. Is. Round. Full stop. What's the shape of the coin? Round. The coin is round. The coin is round. Very good. Are you happy? Let's look at another picture. See here. There are two kids sitting here. What are they doing? They're sitting and writing. Oh, very good. Do you write too? Lovely. Look. They are very seriously writing, and they're writing it so nicely too. Clearly. Look at the word, jumbled words given. Let's read aloud. Writing. The kids are writing. The kids are. Now we pick the first word. The. Yes, very good. Kids are writing. Full stop. What are the kids doing? The kids are writing. Very good. Look at it again. What are the kids doing? The kids are writing.